I'm gonna change the sprinkler head with a 180 degrees. I built me the shed here, so now I don't want water overspraying my tool shed right here. So first of all, what we want to do this without digging, a lot faster and quicker. So first we want to loosen this up. As you can see, it comes right off. Being careful, no dirt or any type of debris fall in there. Next thing you want to do, grab just a set of pliers, turn it. Being careful not to let any dirt fall in. I believe this is a Rainbird brand. So we just want to, there it goes. Pull it straight out. I'm going to be installing this new Rainbird 180. You can adjust it, adjust the spray. So putting it back in right. Another thing, I was going to close it off and use one of these. This is a 4-inch. I was going to close it off with this cap, but I decided to go ahead and use it and instead use this 180. So that's what we're going to do. So tight squeeze. Turn it. And that's it. You just got to do your adjustments here. But other than that, it's in there. This is what normally a professional sprinkler will come out and do. But if you want to do it this way, it's a lot quicker, no digging. Sometimes you might need this in case, but as you can see, we didn't need it. That's only in most cases. If this were to break on the inside, you just come in here, grab it something like this, and turn it and take it out. But in this case, it will work good. So there you go. If you like it, click like. If you didn't, click like anyway. All right, bye.